It is October X10 and I'm making my very first BNSF Tron video, very Tron video ever with this new phone. And Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to get videos of Trons. I hope more than one Tron. I got here just in time for a Tron, and by the time I got over here, I missed another Tron. I hope there'll be more than. It looks like it's either feast or famine with the Trons. I hope there'll be at least another Tron before I leave, but one Tron's better than no Trons. Yeah, unfortunate when I make a driving video with this, when I attach it to that thing that holds the camera, the fucking video part of the dashboard of the car is showing. There ain't anything I'm gonna be able to do about that. Fucking sucks. I don't think there's anything. I can't adjust it at all. And it's a slow-moving Tron. The other Trons that I missed that were faster, they were Trons at the same time. I don't know what the fuck. Reading the graffiti, and I don't know what the fuck they're saying. Yeah, as I said, all the graffiti, it all looks the same. Why can't they spray pictures of penises or something on the Tron? That would make it a little more interesting. Or I suppose if they did, they would probably remove it right away because people have a stick up their ass. They should have a penis up their ass or a dick up their ass. Maybe that would cause it to lighten up and not be such an uptight snowflake. I see kind of a Tron behind it. I don't know if that Tron will be coming through. That's the end of the Tron. I don't know what the fuck that is, but they don't put cabooses on Trons anymore, those fucking bastards. I remember when they used to put the cabooses on the Trons. I'm glad I got a video with this new phone. And I'm so glad I have Asperger's, because I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting Tron videos than I do. I don't know how the fuck you would zoom in on it. Well, it doesn't say. Oh shit, I'd have to experiment around with that. But I'm experimenting around with the camera. Oh, fuck, nothing's working. Maybe I'll do another test video. Tron is going so slow. And now the light went red. There won't be another Tron until the light turns green, unless there's a Tron from that other direction. I don't know if that's going to happen. I'm glad I got Untron video, but I would like to get a whole bunch of Tron videos while I'm here. I'm only going to be here for another half hour, unfortunately. It's either feast or famine. Let's hope another Tron comes by.